Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of microwaves that overcook one side and leave the other side cold, today's video is going to be a good one. We're talking about the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS Countertop Microwave Oven, a smart, modern 1000-watt countertop microwave that's designed to make everyday cooking faster, easier, and way more reliable. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or someone who just wants quick meals without the hassle, this microwave is built to keep up with real life. One of the biggest reasons people choose the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS countertop microwave oven is its smart humidity sensor technology. Instead of guessing how long to heat your food, this microwave actually detects moisture, then automatically adjusts cooking time and power. That means fewer burnt edges, no cold centers, and food that comes out evenly heated and ready to eat. This feature alone makes it incredibly useful for anyone who reheats leftovers or cooks quick meals daily. With a spacious 1.2 cubic foot capacity and a large 12.4-inch removable glass turntable, this microwave easily fits full-size plates, handles family portions, and supports everyday use in apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or busy kitchens. Let's talk about ease of use, because that's where this microwave really shines. The 6 preset auto menus let you press one button and let the microwave do the work, handling popular foods like pizza, vegetables, and sensor reheat without extra steps. The 10 unique power levels give you control to warm gently, reheat evenly, or boil liquids efficiently, depending on what you're making. The Easy Defrost by Weight or Time feature helps you thaw frozen food evenly, maintain texture, and avoid partially cooked edges, which saves time and reduces food waste. Toshiba clearly thought about real-life situations too. The One-Touch Start allows you to start cooking instantly from 1 to 6 minutes, which is perfect when you're in a hurry. The mute function lets you use the microwave quietly, especially late at night or early in the morning, and the Eco mode helps you reduce energy usage and save on electricity bills. On top of that, the Easy Clean interior means you can wipe away spills quickly, and the sleek silver finish adds a clean, modern look to your countertop. So why should people use the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS countertop microwave oven? Because it saves time, reduces cooking mistakes, and simplifies daily meal prep. And why is it needed? Because modern kitchens need appliances that work smarter, consume less energy, and make everyday tasks easier. This microwave isn't just about heating food, it's about making your routine smoother and more efficient. If you're thinking about upgrading your microwave, the link to the product is available in the description, so be sure to check it out. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, comment below with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and smart home finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.